I have returned to our sample program to demonstrate the use of constants and the declaration of constants. You'll notice I have written some code that will declare two constants, one of type char and one of type integer. There is a new keyword introduced here, const. Const is the reserved word that declares a constant. The key difference between a constant and a variable is that a constant's value cannot change while the program executes, where, on the other hand, a variable's value can change anytime during the execution of the program. So in essence, what a constant is a way of protecting data so that the user or the programmer through another line of code will not change the value of this constant. The const precedes the data type of, in this case, char. The word yes in my example is the name of the constant. And then the lowercase y is the value of this constant. So this is the value that I want yes to have. That is the word y. Like declaration statements for variables, you need to end each constant statement with a semicolon. The integer being declared also is preceded by const, followed by the declaration of the data type integer, followed by a made-up name, in this case quota. 100 is the initial value and the only value that quota will have. Again, since this is a constant, this value will always be 100. Once these constants are declared, you can then use them much like you can variables in programs, in that you can use them in calculations, you can display them, and so forth. The key difference, as I've said, is that these values will not change while the program is running. We will be using variables and constants throughout the rest of this course. It is important to understand the distinction now.